Good morning, YouTubers. This is election day, so if you haven't voted, I recommend you go ahead out and vote. Today I want to just do a quick video just to show you how to switch your default search engine in Chrome to the new ChatGPT Search. So OpenAI, as you can see here, has a search feature that they just added, Search the Web. So the way to add that to Google, by default it'll be either Google search, or if you've set it to a different search, it'll be that search. But they have an extension. If you go to the Chrome Web Store, you can get the ChatGPT Search. Now currently this is only for the paid users of ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and add this to Chrome. Add the extension. So now we can manage the extension. Make sure that, here it is right here. So this is the extension. And this of course will change the search. So now, when we go to search, so if we look at it before, so this is obviously Google search, and we ask questions like what is a large language model, you see here a lot of advertisements, a lot of paid things. Look at the top three: IBM, Cloudflare. That's not what you want. You want an article, you want a description. Now this is good that they've started adding these AI features, but if you even want less ads and more of a direct answer, ChatGPT Search is the better option. So now that we have it installed, now if we go ahead to search, as you can see, it brings up the search, which gives you a direct answer. Hope you enjoyed this. If you like this, I'm going to do lots more content. Please hit subscribe and give that thumbs up button. Thank you very much.